5-int post-carbon filter. Improves taste and freshness. The RR water purifier employs a state-of-the-art 7-stage filtration process, ensuring that every drop of water is exceptionally clean and pure.
Sediment micron filter removes very fine particles, stops small suspended impurities, improves filtration efficiency.
Pre-carbon filter removes chlorine and harmful chemicals, eliminates bad smell and taste, improves water quality before RO.
As you can see, our sediment and micron filters effectively remove very fine particles and suspended impurities.
RO membrane, main purification stage, removes TDS, heavy metals, bacteria, and viruses.
5-int post-carbon filter. Improves taste and freshness. Removes remaining odor. UV/UF sterilization kills bacteria, viruses, and microorganisms, ensuring safe drinking water.
Mineral/alkaline filter adds essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, balances pH level, makes water healthy and tasty.
Clean, safe, mineral-balanced drinking water.
Stay updated.
As contaminated water flows in, the semi-permeable membrane permits only the pure HO molecules to pass, leaving Every day, water from borewell and municipal sources carries impurities that can affect health and taste.
Subscribe to the RRR Purifier YouTube channel.